Alright, thanks for watching Flyby Video Pros. This is a quick video on some of our very vibrant custom colors we've got going. We got the beautiful translucent purple here, we call it. I don't know why we call it that, but that's what it's called. And we also have the glorious gold, which is indeed glorious. Flying the gold drone around, you'd be awesome. Now, our custom color kits come with the painted drone. Inside the yellow Pelican case here, we have a very special offer. This is kind of a one-time deal. Alright, the waterproof case is included in this deal. We've got it, yes, the translucent blue drone, which is very cool. And it's got the H330 gimbal already installed. It's got the new 2312 motors. Yes, they are the 2312s. You can watch another video with an explanation of the different motors. And yes, limited edition, matching blue, LED indicators, rechargeable gimbal wheel, the updated version 2 antenna. Hope you can get it on our site. Email us at sales@flybyvideopros.com. Of course, it's got the battery charger, a couple of sets of props with the case. $13.50. Thanks again for watching.